You did the open house site, and how many leads did you get?
Probably maybe 10.
Okay.
10 of them are solid leads. Two of them are now in escrow buyers. And I got a listing from it.
Oh my gosh. Okay. That's huge. Yeah.
That's it. So
Yeah.
I'm sold. I had the system and I had everything and it was just easy. I didn't have to hand them and explain everything to them. I didn't have to um it was just simple. And when I was able to populate everything and all of my ideas, because trying to explain that to everybody when they walk through the door sometimes is a lot.
Mhm.
So for them to be able to open and be like, I didn't realize you gave me so much information. Thank you so much. It was just easy. And
That's-
so, yeah, I'm telling you, like this will be my team's new requirement.
yeah, that's cool. I love hearing that. I love hearing it. And I love,
But I
like,
didn't catch any clients before this. Like I mean, I didn't 100% try. I just kind of was like, but at
well,
the same time,
and what's the angle before, right? Now this
right.
gives,
I'm like, I got an open house tomorrow. Let's use this and let's try it.
yeah,
And
just turnkey.
it was just amazing.
Yeah, making it turnkey. That's awesome.
Because I didn't have to. It was like you guys found everything. I didn't even have to so everywhere there's right, like as far as like I don't have to do anything. I don't have to sit on your logo and say no. You guys found everything, started everything for me. So all I had to do was start working, which made my
Yeah.
life super easy. I thought I was gonna have to send you all my stuff. I was dreading it actually. I was like, Byron, please send it for me. But no, you guys did it. It was great.